Hello everyone, my name is Akash and this is Noe Bicycle. So today we have Mr. Colonel Chaudhary and Radha ji. Basically they have come all the way from Lucknow and they just want to grab a beautiful looking bike that is Doodle V3. So looking forward to hear from them that why they actually got the hands on Doodle and from where they got to know about Doodle. जानते हैं Colonel Chaudhary से. Sir, how you got to know about Doodle?
Okay.
And what's the purpose behind buying a Doodle?
I got to know about Doodle from YouTube only.
Alright.
And I wanted basically a affordable bike wherein I don't have to, I'm not a guy who always goes in a car or a motorcycle. Adventurous people like you.
We both are in the same boat actually.
So I always had this dream of having a bicycle wherein you keep pedaling for 40 kilometers and then after when you're tired then you go on electric.
Correct.
So that's why, and since I travel a lot and from one place to the other, being in the army, so I thought might as well take a foldable bike which is easy to carry everywhere. So
Very nicely put. I mean something which is convenient to take and carry along with your
yeah, portability is a big factor.
Correct. So and looking from the fact that ma'am is here, so ma'am is the reason behind buying the bike. Is that so?
Yeah.
It's going on record, guys.
yeah. Basically, she motivated me. So I.
Right, Radhaji. So how do you find the guy from the bike?
Yeah, it's great, and the best part is that a lot of things can be adjusted to one's requirement, especially the height of the handle, the seat. So that makes it so much easier. And yeah, looks pretty decent, and not decent. It looks great, and I think it will make life more convenient.
Yeah, looking at the entire catalog, she even actually fell for the Lily because that's very easy to go and no kick scooter. So I think that's also
Yeah,
coming
really,
to
I
Lucknow
would
very soon.
definitely want to buy because it's a bliss mode bike. So when you want to be in bliss, you just get onto that, hop onto it, and just ride away.
ये भी equally fun है हाँ. Suppose आपने अभी lunch किया, छोले भटूरे खाए, लस्सी और पी ली. Then you are no more in the will to even pedal. Then this bike can actually take you on a cruise control.
So
So there is a cruise control mode also coming along. That is something very new. Let me just show you a demo. So once you switch on the bike, you just race whatever speed you want to ride at. Press the minus button for a while. The bike will go onto the cruise control. You don't have to pedal. You don't have to do anything. Just press the bike and the bike will continue to roll.
Good. And the moment you press the brakes, the cruise cut is off.
Yeah, the moment you press the brake, the bike will take you back to the normal manual mode. So that's another important element of the bike, which generally is more stress-free and just enjoy, pure joy more. So I'm happy that you both showed up our Nirman Vihar store. For you also, whosoever watching, do subscribe the channel. There are so many offers running out here. They are taking back home a lot of gifts, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely.
So gifts are not method of luring you guys. It's a way of securing and giving you more safety on the roads. We are not offering any headphones and any mobiles and anything like that. We're giving you cycling friendly equipment which will eventually enhance your ride quality. So that's about it. I'm happy that you both are here and I'm looking forward to see you on the road. Keep sharing your riding experience with us on our eMotortrack family group. That's 300 plus more customers are already there and sharing their details on a daily basis.
Sure, I will. Nice meeting you. Pleasure.
Nice meeting you. Wow, that's the spirit. So enjoy and have a beautiful day ahead.
Thanks a ton, buddy.
Bye. Thank you.